As healthcare is changing, as our students are changing, their experience gets to grow, both in our clinical, our lab settings, our simulation lab, and in the classroom.
We get lots of different hands-on experiences with different types of patients, different units in the hospital, and there's so many different avenues of nursing that we can take.
We're fortunate that many of our faculty are practicing nurses in our community.
I think the biggest thing for me is the instructors are just fantastic. They're very personable, very engaging.
They have so many years of experience. A lot of them are nurse practitioners. They've been nurses for decades. So it's nice to have their knowledge while we go through these labs.
We're blessed with our nursing skills and simulation lab where students are able to spend a good amount of time at various parts throughout their program, getting realistic clinical experiences, but in a controlled, safe environment.
We have lots of different mannequins that allow us to interact and do basic patient care and just become more comfortable and submerged in that environment before we actually are touching real patients.
So they get to practice confidence, clinical judgment, critical thinking, which helps them be better prepared, and it improves patient outcomes.
You meet and make so many different relationships with people that become just part of your story, and you become part of somebody's story when you work in healthcare.
Knowing that you're helping somebody on their journey to wellness is really rewarding.
We're fortunate to have various college partnerships.
With NMC partnering with Davenport, it allows us to get that bachelor's degree level education right here at home.
We have nursing success coaches, tutors, a faculty group and a staff group who are really invested in our students' performance and succeeding. They have access to a wonderful hospital partnership. We have higher than usual number of clinical hours and experiences that they can do to be in field prepared, and I just can't imagine a better place to do that than here.